their father and they don't being burden of studies, they were not wanted to study a lot, so they wanted to they wanted not to study more, so they were motivating from their father and they wanted to stop their studies, but their father Surya tell them to about the competitive world in the present competitive world and encouraged them to study abroad and give you a path and not to do any physical work and to be a luxurious life and to let them encourage them to study more. This is my story. Thank you.
Friends, what I saw in the picture is that there are three characters, two are females and one is male. My main character is male, his name is Ram. All of the characters are in the park where the lady is worried because her husband died recently and she is worried because she is suffering from the financial crisis of the family. She is suffering from the, and but his son Ram is mature enough. She informed her mother about the government scheme that the government is providing post part-time job for the youths who is suffering from financial crisis, and this she gave the order them to let's join after 2 or 3 months of earning of them. She is good in handicraft, so he established a cottage industry, and this helped the family a lot, and now they are living happily. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture, I saw a forest with three positive male characters, and I perceive this is a trekking scene. And my story goes on like this. Aravind is the senior officer of his school. One day he got the notice of upcoming trekking campaigns from his higher authorities. He managed the volunteer list from the school, and with his friend managed the necessary things for the trekking, and planned their trip to a tribal village through a forest. In the path, they found that the forest was littered and was polluted by plastics and contaminated. And Arvind took initiative and split the friends into groups and managed to clean some area and help the villagers in cleaning. And they reached the tribal village safely, and the villagers thanked them. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I could see around 3 persons in the age of around 25 to 30. In my story, Mahesh, an official in the State Pollution Control Board, after learning through the report in a survey, realized that there are a number of pollution problems and environmental problems faced in the city. So he discussed the situation with his colleagues as well as his seniors and decided to find a solution. So he went and visited several educational institutions and asked them to promote the usage of public transportation. He also asked them to plant saplings in the various gardens as well as the surrounding areas near them. He also promoted people to learn about the various fields of environment. Then he visited several industries and asked them to invest more on sewage treatment plant, various waste disposal system, and also encourage them to use renewable resources like solar energy, and asked them to establish more solar energy for power plants in the area. So he felt really happy that the pollution went down in the city and the life of the people as well as the living conditions became more easy.
In my story, Reverend Ram was where to the Gandhi brothers. They did not go to study at school because of teacher will shouted upon them because of they are showing undiscipline at school. After National Army, they were told to their father. Then father will take a come go to school. Then the father was clarified with them teachers. Then after they go regularly, then they scored both of good marks in exam. Then teacher will would appreciate of them.
Gentlemen, I have perceived three male characters, Rakesh, Raj and Abhi of 17, 18 and 17 years old with all three positive mood respectively. Abhi, Raj and Rakesh was returning after the classes from the college. By the way back home, they found that the trees and bushes over the roadside was getting dried up and destroyed. All three decided to look after the plants by pouring water daily. They started doing it. Days passed. Many other young students joined them, seeing them, and all of them organized themselves and started working for the nature. They named their group as Project Hope in order to spread hope in developing the nature. All the three, along with many other young students, worked for the nature and made the nature beautiful. Thank you.
Basically, I perceived three characters. A young lad of age 13 years named Raman and his parents. This lad of 13 years, Raman, was basically from a poor background, so he actually knew how difficult for a farmer to actually educate his son. So he had the zeal, potential, enthusiasm to cover all the concepts that he usually did in schools. With this zeal and enthusiasm, he grasped the concepts very well, and he even tried to inculcate in his own fields. For an example, where his father used his fertilizers or some other manures, instead of that his son said use biodegradable waste and other waste, such that they will be very much useful for them without causing any pollution for the crops too. So his father didn't believe him. Why? Because he being from uneducated, he didn't believe, but he experimented for sure. After his experiment, he could see that there was a large difference in the crop production which he usually had. Seeing his improvement, even the other farmers also tried the same thing. So basically, we're coming upon to this group discussion today. I would say that as many of friends are